Hi guys! In this video we are going to explain how to write a descriptive paragraph. This is brought to you by the Explicit English channel. If you happen to be an ESL high beginner or a second grader attending any of the US public schools, then this is a video for you. We are going to explain how to write a paragraph and all the details that paragraph entails about the topic, my best friend. This should come easy to you, as all of you guys, I'm sure, have a best friend, right? So let's get started. Let's name the key points of a paragraph. Each paragraph needs to have a topic sentence followed by controlling idea. This is your main idea. This shows your reader what is it that you're going to talk about. Then you have your supporting sentences, supporting details that will describe your main idea, and at the end you give a conclusion. These are the key points that each paragraph should have. Whether you write for elementary school or high school or college or work, you will always write in paragraphs, and these paragraphs are clusters of sentences that represent main idea. Another easy way to think of a paragraph and its parts is that topic sentence followed by controlling idea is your beginning, supporting sentences are in the middle, and at the end you write a conclusion. So this way you have a very nice organization and structure of your paragraph. Now let's move on to the next slide to see how the writing process for our topic, my best friend, should actually unfold. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Let's brainstorm, you guys. So in the previous slide, we talked about 3 parts of a paragraph, right? In this slide, we're gonna show how this writing process unfolds, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to brainstorm, okay? You guys want to try to recall the grammar that is important for descriptive paragraph and what are some initial thoughts you have about your topic, okay? So let's tackle the grammar first. When we write a descriptive paragraph, we want to use our 5 senses, okay? So let's remind ourselves. What are those? Sense of hearing, sense of seeing, smelling, touching, and tasting, okay? So let's say you want to describe your favorite place in the world, right? Sense of seeing is gonna come in very handy, right? And sense of hearing, you're gonna say whether that place is very quiet or not, okay? Also, when you want to describe, in our case, my best friend, sense of, hearing, sense of seeing is gonna come in handy, right? You're gonna say how this person looks like, maybe, okay? So you use your 5 senses when you write a descriptive paragraph, okay? In English, we also use simple present a lot because when you describe facts or describe how you feel about something, you use simple present, okay? And last but not least, you guys, you have to make sure that your subject and verb are in an agreement, okay? There is not too much going on in regards to simple present. Only first person and third person conjugate differently and everything else stay the same, okay? So you want to make sure that you don't carry these mistakes into your higher levels, okay? So this is our grammar review regarding our descriptive paragraph. Now let's move on to our topic. We said that our topic, our title is my best friend, okay? All of us have one person that we consider our best friend. So I ask, for the purposes of this video and simplicity, I ask, one student from elementary school to show us their brainstorming of our topic, okay? And you can use this to model your descriptive paragraph or to practice your paragraph. Okay, so the first thing that came up was that this student said his parents and his best friend parents are immigrants to this country. You see, this is a very specific detail, right? The next thing he mentioned is that this person is 10 years old. Okay. The next thing, he used one of his senses. Which one is this? Sense of seeing, right? And he said that this friend of his is tall. He likes soccer, just like, you know, our student who wrote this. And what would the world be without video games, right? So he said that both of them love video games. So you guys can use this as a model for your own descriptive paragraph. Okay, you put your topic in the middle and you just put some initial thoughts when it comes to your head, and that's how you do the brainstorm. Now we're gonna use all of these information to actually write our paragraph. Okay, so let's move on to the next paragraph to see how this student actually wrote his first paragraph about his best friend. Okay, so let's actually see how this student wrote this descriptive paragraph. Again, if you're ESL high beginner or a second grader in the US, this is a video for you, and this may come in very handy. And as a bonus in this video, I'm going to let you guys hear it from the student who actually wrote this. So let's hear him out, okay?
My best friend. Out of all my friends, only one is my best friend. His name is Abdullah. He is 10 going to 11, while I am 11 going to 12. He is tall, just like me. Our parents are immigrants and share same nationality. We both like to play soccer, mostly defense. We also enjoy playing video games. I love going to his house to play on his Xbox. I am very thankful to have him as my best friend.
That was fun, wasn't it? I hope you guys enjoyed reading of our little student here who volunteered to do this for us. Now let's revise his first draft. Out of all my friends, only one is my best friend. So here he started with his topic sentence and controlling idea. His topic sentence, his main idea, is his best friend, and out of all my friends, this is his controlling idea. He's trying to tell us that he's only going to be talking about his best friend. Then he starts saying about his name, and he says he's 10 going to 11 while I'm 11 going to 12. We don't need this going to 11, going to 12. It is not necessary here. So we're going to delete, we're going to remove this from the sentence. It's sufficient to say he's 10 while I'm 11. Okay? Then he's using his sense of seeing. He's saying he's tall, just like me. And then he just moves on using all of those details from his brainstorming process. At the end, he concludes by saying, I'm very thankful to have him as my best friend. So that's a very nice concluding sentence. Now, to make sure that you used all the three key parts of the paragraph, you can ask yourself some following up questions, okay? Follow-up questions. Did we describe our best friend? I think he did. He talked about his name, age, how tall he is, what he likes to do. Do we have a topic sentence? Yes, we do. It's right here, the first one. Did we give examples as to what we have in common? Yeah, I think he did a good job as far as the soccer and video games and their parents. Do we have a concluding sentence? Yes, we do. Did we correct the mistakes? I think we did. So this is how the revision should look like. You want to make sure that you have all the three parts of the paragraph, topic sentence with controlling idea, the supporting sentences, some details you developed in your brainstorming, and a concluding sentence. Now let's move on to the next slide, where we'll show the final draft of this paragraph, how it should look like. Okay, let's move on. So here we're gonna show our final copy of our paragraph. As you noticed, our student decided to change his title in the last moment prior publishing. And this is totally okay to do. Okay, we wanted to show that you can change whatever you want to change before you turn in your paragraph to your teacher or before you publish it. So our student here said that he would like to change the title to Abdullah. He didn't want to say my best friend, he just wanted to name the title according to his friend's name. And this is totally acceptable to do. Okay, so let's see the rest of the paragraph. And this is the final version. Out of all my friends, only one is my best friend. His name is Abdullah. He's 10 while I'm 11. He is tall, just like me. Our parents are immigrants and share same nationality. We both like to play soccer, mostly defense. We also enjoy playing video games. I love going to his house to play on his Xbox. I'm very thankful to have him as my best friend. And this is sufficient. If you guys needed to write a descriptive paragraph for your teacher describing your best friend, you can use this as a model. Only in your case, you'll probably have different characteristics, right? Because you'll be talking about different person. But if you do this, it's completely sufficient. So let's just recap everything we've been saying so far. When it comes to paragraph, make sure you have all the three parts: topic sentence with controlling idea, supporting sentences, and a conclusion. Make sure you use present tense when writing a descriptive paragraph, and make sure that your subject and verb are in an agreement. Okay? Regarding the writing, you first want to brainstorm, think about some initial ideas regarding your topic sentence, then you write your first draft, then you revise and proofread your first draft, and then you publish your descriptive paragraph. If you follow all these steps, you guys won't have any problems writing a descriptive paragraph in English language. If you guys benefited from this video, please don't forget to share. You can also check out our other videos here at the Explicit English channel. Click on the link below and it will take you to the next one. Thanks for watching.